How to set up the default theme in Messenger app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can set up the default theme or change back our theme to a default theme back again in our Messenger app. So let's begin with the video and make sure to watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So first thing first, open up your Messenger application on your device. After that, you just need to log in into your account and tap on the chat that you want to change the theme from. Simply tap on it and tap on this eye icon at the top right. After tapping on it, you should be able to find this theme option very easily on the screen. Just tap on theme and you can see a bunch of themes here. So in order to set it back to the default theme, what you can simply do is hit on the same theme that is just on your chats right now. Simply click on it and you can see, are you sure that you want to remove the theme from the chat? So what you're going to do is simply click on remove, and the theme is set back to the default theme just like that. So therefore just follow the steps and you should be able to change your theme back to default. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.